Hey guys, welcome to TVRA 134 Media Appreciation. And I will be your professor this semester, and my name is Professor Diener. So I wanted to welcome you to class. We will be meeting every Wednesday night from 7 p.m. to 9:45 p.m. starting January 27th. So that's next Wednesday. And we will be meeting not in a classroom, but of course virtually via Collaborate Ultra. So how you will find Collaborate Ultra will be you will go into Blackboard, you will find your course TVRA 134, and on the column all the way to the left, it will be a black column with white lettering. All the way at the bottom, you will see Collaborate Ultra Sessions. You will click on that. That will take you to the next link where you'll see sessions, and you will see something called Course Room. Now you don't want to click on Course Room. You want to go right below that to where it says TVRA 134 Wednesday 7 p.m. to 9:45 p.m. and that will be the session date and time. So that's the one you want to go into because that's how we're going to record each of our lectures. So you want to go into Blackboard under your course, TVRA 134, go into the link called Collaborate Ultra Class Sessions. You will find TVRA 134 and the date and the time listed. So please click on that link. That will take you directly to our class. I will open it up a little bit beforehand, before 7, just so that, I'll be loading up my lecture material, and if you guys want to, discuss anything with your classmates, that's fine as well. So I will see everyone then Wednesday, January 27th at 7 p.m. Looking forward to it. Thanks, guys.